Like much of the rest of the world, everyone at Website Depot has been creating makeshift workspaces from home. Our routines have shifted from running out the doors every morning to staying indoors all day, making it hard to separate between the personal and the professional. So if you're one of the many millions who are also struggling with creating an at-home routine, stick around for some tips.
Determine what time you're clocking out each day. Once you're done with all of your tasks, put away your laptop or shut down your monitor. Clean up any messes around your workspace and communicate to the people you live with that you're done for the day. This will help you start to wind down and feel like you're leaving the office for the day as you normally would. If you're used to heading to the gym after work or getting a drink with coworkers, try planning a fun activity such as an evening bike ride or happy hour video call after the day is done. When it comes down to it, we're all learning how to adapt to a work-life balance from home. Remember to be patient with yourself and others during this difficult time as we all navigate a new normal.